Welcome to Stackable, the all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with the WordPress block editor. In this video, you will learn how to create a parallax effect for your stackable blocks using motion effects. The point of parallax is there would be slower moving objects and faster moving objects to add some depth to your website. Out of the box, you cannot exactly create a parallax effect with Stackable, but we can achieve a similar look with the scroll animation. Here we have a website, and as you scroll down, these images on the right of this section have different moving rates. I'll be teaching you how to achieve this. It's pretty simple. You would need at least 2 blocks that you would want to use for this effect. In the block editor, I have these 3 inner columns that I will be using for the animation. Select the first inner column, then navigate to Advanced, and then Motion Effects, and there I will select Scroll Animation. The first group of settings you will see are the entrance animation settings. I will only be using Translate Y here. We will want this block to be entering from further down its original position, so I'll be adding a positive value here. I'm typing in 300. Then I will move on to the next group of settings, which is the exit animation settings. This time, we want the block to move further up as you scroll further down the page. So I'll be typing here -300. Now scroll back up and toggle on Smooth and Scroll Animation. This is just so that the animation plays out smoothly. Now we'll just do the same for the other blocks. Select the second inner column, again Motion Effects, select Scroll Animation, toggle on Smooth and Scroll, then for Translate Y, we'll add a different value this time. I'm typing in 100, so that this block moves much slower compared to the first animation we made. Then in the Exit Translate Y, we'll put -100. Finally, I'll just do that for the last block. Again, Motion Effects, select Scroll Animation, toggle on Smooth and Scroll, then for Translate Y, we'll add 200, so the movement for this block is in between our first and second block. Then for the Exit Translate Y, we'll just put -200. Now just save that, and let's preview it in the front end. I think that looks great, but to further add depth, we could add a shadow to our second block. So I'll just go back to the editor, select the second block, navigate to Style, then Container Borders and Shadows. Then I'll just be adding a custom shadow in the setting. Now let's save and see the final result. Alright, I think that looks great. So that's how we can achieve a parallax effect with Stackable. This will work with any block, whether it's an image, a column, some text, or even cards and feature grids. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Stackable updates, tips, and tutorials. You can also join our Facebook community or visit our website for more information. We'll link them down below.